Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. It's been 2 weeks of ridiculously long days to bring this free course to you, and it is finally ready. So you will find a link below, but I'm just going to take a few minutes and show you what you can expect. It is DeFi as a business. Again, it is a completely free course, and we go deep, much deeper than I thought we would. So if you do want access to the course, you can either let me know in the comments and I'll make sure you get a link, or you can search in the description and find it. I just want you in here. I'll give you a quick rundown here. Inside the course, it's really 3 main phases. The foundations, really understanding how a DeFi business actually works, how it cash flows, where the fees come from, how we generate revenue, how we think about growing the business, scaling the business, and just understanding it from the lens and frame as, hey, our portfolio is a business. Once that clicks for people, I think they start taking DeFi more seriously and they go from gamblers to investors. So I'm really excited for you to go through part 1. Part 2 is the opportunity. We talk about most of the opportunities and then really talk about the 2 or 3 that we focus on the most. And we show examples and share different ideas around that so you can actually seize the opportunity, execute on it. Part 3 is like how to make the money. Like, how do we start getting into these things? How do we start investing in it? What do we do with the profits? How do we actually build the business? Entering things together. We're going to go behind the scenes inside the UIG and even look at some portfolios and just get a holistic, zoomed out look at how does this thing work? And then dial it right in and go micro on that. And this is how you do it. Now, we do have some extra resources coming out, talking about bonus DeFi insurance. We have a few other things. Now, what's really cool about this is every week there'll be 1 or 2 new things added. So there are going to be articles that you can engage with that we cover, different ideas all the way from laddering out to, velocity of money to different ideas. So you want to stay tuned, jump in, check out some of the articles. We're also going to be posting our live events. Now, these aren't events like we would hold inside the Underdog Investor Group. But every 2 weeks on YouTube, I'll be going live to answer questions and teach some stuff. And you'll be able to RSVP to the event directly inside the DeFi as a business course. So that's sort of kind of cool, a little bonus perk and a bit of a live element to it. So you can actually get a little more engaged with the content. So this launches as of right now. I'm going to be sending out links for the next 4 hours so people can start joining. And we made sure that the process is smoothed out. This is going to be super, super cool. I'm really, really excited for you to check this out. If you've been waiting for it, then do search for the link. I'll have it around somewhere. Or if you're like, hey, just leave a comment below. I'll make sure you get it. And come join us on the live event this Saturday, March 16th at 10 a.m. So get in here, go through at least some of the coursework or go through some of the lessons and modules, and then join us for the live event. Would love to connect with you and have a bit of a chat, see how I can support, see how I can help. So it's super well laid out. A lot of time and energy went into this. I'm excited to get into your hands. So if you're interested in building your portfolio and you're turning your crypto into an actual DeFi business, if you're interested in cash flow, which is the secret of early retirement, I know 20-year-olds who are by definition retired. I know a lot of members in the UIG who are officially retired because their cash flow exceeds their monthly expenses. That is financial freedom. And if you're interested in getting the scoop and going deep in it, then do grab the free course, DeFi as a business. Do let me know. And again, I'll leave a link below. It's cryptolabsresearch.com/DeFi. And with that said, I'll see you inside. Appreciate you. Peace.